I just found heaven on earth, and it's called Las Terrenas in the Dominican Republic.
Playa Bonita. Las Terrenas. I've been to Las Terrenas. Playa Bonita. You look at the background, back there you can see some mountains down to the sea. This is where all the resorts are. There's small little hotels on the beach down here. The beach is beautiful here. That's why they call it Playa Bonita, I assume. Beautiful. Here's all the rock formations at the end. There's all the trees. Wow, and you can see the mountains in the background. There's a little bit of a forest.